Join the Multivac Group at IPPE 2026 to see full-line solutions for processing, automated loading, packaging, and more.
All right, we have Dolan Patterson, Chief Commercial Officer for Farmer Focus, based in Harrisonburg, Virginia, organic poultry producer and processor. Welcome to IPPE.
All right, thank you.
And coming into this, what are some of the top concerns that you have within the industry? Like what's kind of keeping you up at night?
Yeah, great question. Obviously, there's multiple proteins in the United States, right? So beef prices continue to remain elevated. We have a big tailwind in the industry across all animal sectors with the MAHA movement. And so that's channeled more and more demand. At the same time, capital is very expensive to come by, and building new facilities, building out new plants is almost cost prohibitive right now. So how do you continue to do more with less, which I think the chicken industry has been very good at historically. And then just overall automation in the facilities, right? If we can continue to improve quality and optimize our labor performance, that helps at the end of the day the consumer and our cost basis.
And to what kind of operational problems perhaps or issues that you have that you're coming to this show maybe hoping to find some solutions for?
A lot of better technology out there in terms of vision grading. So the industry's always had vision graders, but how do you get even more precise on piece size, defect criteria, so on and so forth, as well as overall preventative maintenance. There's a large shortage in the United States on the trade programs. It's hard to come by good electricians, good maintenance guys. And so what we do on our side is really look to the vendor and not only how they design the equipment, but what their service levels are, any type of warranties and so forth. And then, just prevent that downtime. Yep.
Specific to the organic poultry market.
Yeah.
What challenges are there for you currently? I know, for example, just sourcing organic feed and so forth. Those type of inputs can be a problem. What other, challenges are you trying to tackle these days?
Yeah, so obviously poultry is always a dynamic industry, and when a lot of the organic ingredients are actually sourced overseas, and the tariff policies that are ebbing and flowing, that makes it very challenging for us to figure out: do we want to take a position? Do we want to ride this out? There's just even more variables to take into account on the feed side, and then on the consumer side, again, beef prices are elevated, which helps chicken overall as a category. And then specifically with our consumer, which typically is a little more affluent, meeting the consumer where they're at, right? So that puts a lot of pressure on us for innovation